everyone, welcome to the video of chapter number 13 amines. In this video we are going to study preparation of amines and physical properties of amines. So let's begin. Let us see first preparation of amine, that is by ammonolysis of alkyl halide. Alkyl halide, when it is heated with alcoholic ammonia at 373 Kelvin in a sealed copper tube, it gives a mixture of an alkyl amine, dialkyl amine and trialkyl amine along with the tetraethyl ammonium bromide. This is a reaction wherein Rx plus NH3 alcohol heating gives you RNH2, which is a primary amine. The primary amine thus obtained behave as a nucleophile and further it reacts with the alkyl halide to form secondary tertiary amines and finally quaternary ammonium salt. The reaction proceeds as RNH2 Rx gives you R2NH, wherein 2 hydrogen are replaced. Again the alkyl halide is added wherein 3 hydrogens are replaced, giving you R3N. Again the alkyl halide plus Rx giving you quaternary ammonium salt, that is R4NX. The order of reactivity for alkyl halide with ammonia is Ri, that is alkyl iodide is more reactive than alkyl bromide than alkyl chlorides. Let us see next reaction, reduction of nitro compounds. Aliphatic and aromatic nitro compounds can be reduced to primary amines by using metal acid mixture, that is SnHCl or FeHCl or ZnHCl, by catalytic hydrogenation of H2Ni or Pt or palladium LiAlH4 in ether. Reaction RNO2 plus 6H SnHCl RNH2 plus 2H2O. For example, nitrobenzene, when it reacts with Sn or HCl, gives you aniline. Reduction of alkyl cyanide, which are also called as alkyl nitriles. Primary amines can be obtained by reduction of alkyl cyanide with sodium and ethanol. This is known as a Mendeus reaction. This is a name reaction which is known as a Mendeus reduction. The reaction can also be brought about by lithium aluminium hydride. Reaction RC triple bond N plus 4H Na in presence of Na or C2H5OH or LiAlH4 gives you primary amine, that is RCH2NH2. For example, CH3CN in presence of Na or C2H5OH undergoes reduction forming CH3CH2NH2, that is methyl cyanide is converted to ethyl amine. Now let us see reduction of amides. Primary amines having same number of carbon atoms can be obtained by reduction of amides by LiAlH4 in ether or by Na in presence of C2H5OH. Acetamide, that is CH3C double bond O NH2 reacts with 4 hydrogen atom in presence of LiAlH4 or ether or Na or C2H5OH, giving you CH3CH2NH2 ethyl amine. Now there is another important reaction wherein we can obtain primary amine by Gabriel phthalimide synthesis. This method is used for the synthesis of primary amine and it involves 3 stages. First stage is formation of potassium salt of phthalimide from phthalimide on reaction with alcoholic potassium hydroxide. Second stage is formation of alkyl phthalimide from potassium salt of reaction and alkyl halide, and third stage is alkaline hydrolysis of N-alkyl phthalimide to form the corresponding primary amine. These are the stages, that is in the first stage phthalimide is converted to potassium salt of phthalimide. After that, potassium salt of phthalimide is converted to N-alkyl phthalimide, and N-alkyl phthalimide is converted to sodium phthalate and primary amine finally. Next reaction is by Hofmann degradation, which is also known as a Hofmann rearrangement, Hofmann bromamide degradation, or Hofmann hypobromide degradation. Now this is a good laboratory method. Amides on warming with bromine with concentrated aqueous solution gives you primary amine. For example, our CH3C double bond O NH2 plus Br2 plus 4KOH aqueous gives CH3NH2, which is methyl amine. General reaction for this is RC double bond O NH2 plus Br2 plus 4KOH giving RNH2 plus 2KBr plus K2CO3 plus H2O. Let us now see physical properties of amines. The hydrogen bond in amine is polar. As we know that there is an electronegativity difference between the nitrogen and hydrogen, and hence the hydrogen bond of amine is polar. There is an intermolecular hydrogen bonding more in the primary amines than in secondary amines. Now why is this? This is because the primary amines have two hydrogen atom bonded to the nitrogen, and this we can show as it is shown in this pictorial representation, that is the bonding which is there in the secondary amines, and the primary amine it is shown intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Now as you could see that there are hydrogen bond in the primary amine more, and hence primary amines have more greater extent of the hydrogen, more intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Tertiary amine do not have intermolecular hydrogen bonding as they do not have hydrogen bonded to the nitrogen. Now let us see the boiling point. The observed order for the boiling point for the amines is primary amines have more boiling point than secondary amines. Secondary amine have more boiling point than the tertiary amine. Now this is can be given in this tabular form, wherein first is a primary amine which is having highest boiling point than that of the tertiary amines and secondary amines. The lower aliphatic amines are gas with the fishy odor, middle members are liquids, and higher members are solids under ordinary temperature and pressure. Aniline and other aryl amine are usually colorless liquids but get as they easily oxidized but they get colored as they are easily oxidized by air. Due to the ability of amines to form hydrogen bond with the water, solubility of amine increases with the increase in the molar mass. Aromatic amines have higher aromatic amines and higher aliphatic amines are insoluble in water. In this, hydrogen bonding is shown between the amine and water molecule. Since NH bond in amines are less polar than OH bond in alcohol, water solubilities of amines, alcohols and alkanes can be given as carboxylic acids are more soluble in water than alcohol, alcohols are more soluble than amines, and amines are more soluble than alkanes. This can be given in the tabular form. The boiling point for the acids it is more than that of alcohol, and alcohol it is more than that of amine, and amines it is more than that of alkanes. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you must have understood the concepts.